reported. 3843 Folsom Street, reported to be a dwelling collapse. Follow companies respond. Operate. South Fire Band and South Tech 1, engine 44, engine 16, engine 5, engine 43, ladder 6, ladder 9, battalion 11, battalion 7, rescue 1, medic 34, engine 29, collapse unit 1, ES 12. Repeating box 395, 39th to Fairmount Avenue, fire supported. Person incidents reported 3843 Folsom Street, point of B. A dwelling collapse. Follow companies respond. Operate South Fire Band South Tech 1, engine 44, engine 16, engine 5, engine 43, ladder 6, ladder 9, battalion 11, battalion 7, rescue 1, medic 34, engine 29, collapse unit 1, ES 12. Attention Squad 47, medic 37.